Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix no SIM card detected on your OPPO Find X9. So actually this is an easy fix. At first, prepare yourself, as I can see, this SIM card ejector and put this needle straight here. Now when it's kind of opened, put this out. And now as I can see, we have to remove and reinsert our SIM carefully. So now when it's removed, we can put this back here. Now we should be good to go. But if we aren't good to go, what I do recommend is to remove our SIM back again here in this hole and take a microfiber cloth, for example like this one. Now remove your SIM card straight from the tray actually. We can use the same needle and put this here. Now when our SIM card is in our hands, we can carefully clean our SIM card here. As I can see, without any alcohol, just with the microfiber cloth. Now we should be done. Apart from that, we can test the SIM in the another phone, for example our colleague's phone, to confirm the functionality. If our SIM does not work at all, we have to contact the carrier to confirm that our SIM is active, and if it's not active, we have to get another one. But if it is active on another phone and not on ours, let's move to the next step. But let me at first put my SIM card straight to the tray. Now it's on the tray, and let me put this in my phone. Now let me unlock my phone, and the next step here is going into the settings. Here in the settings, go down to the system and update, tap it, tap software update, and now if you have any update your phone, please update your phone. It's because maybe OPPO has released any quick patch fix for the connectivity issues, and this should fix our phone. But if we don't have any updates, here we have to go back and tap here system and update back again, and tap backup and reset. Here tap reset phone and tap the first option. Verify your identity with, as you can see, passcode, and tap reset. This will reset all the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings and should fix our issue. But if your issue isn't fixed yet, you have to contact the OPPO device support to fix your phone, because you know that your SIM card works on the other phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!